name is Casey Backus, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I'm here today to remind you how to use your cloths. So I have our Timeless Lip Balm here, which if you have ever had a lipstick note on the mirror, you know how difficult that can be to clean off. It smears around, it's greasy, it's hard to clean off. So I'm going to first clean it with my EnviroCloth. Your EnviroCloth is your everything cloth. So Enviro, think E for everything. When you use it, just get it wet with water in the sink. You don't want it soaking wet, but have a little bit of moisture to it. I fold it into fourths so that I have 8 different cleaning surfaces, and then I just lay it flat in my hand, and I use that to clean off all of my surfaces. And even when I'm doing windows and mirrors, I don't just use the window cloth. I still clean first with my EnviroCloth because that's going to pull off all of the dirt and grime. And then the window cloth I use as my polishing cloth, and you can think purple polishes. So this I'm going to use after using my EnviroCloth to clean off any surface that normally would leave streaks. And you're going to use these 2 cloths all over your house, not just windows and mirrors. This can do bathrooms, kitchens, stainless steel, granite, windows and mirrors, glass stovetops. All of your basic cleaning around your house is going to be done with these 2 cloths. So if you have more questions, please contact me. My information will be at the end of the video. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.